Hello and welcome to our instructional video on solving for a variable in a simple equation. In this video, we will be solving the equation 3 times x plus 2 equals 11. By following a few easy steps, we will determine the value of x that satisfies this equation. Let's get started. To solve for the variable in the equation 3 times x plus 2 equals 11, we need to isolate x on one side of the equation. To do this, our first step is to eliminate the constant from the left side of the equation, which is the plus 2. To remove the plus 2, we will perform the opposite operation, which is subtraction. Specifically, we subtract 2 from both sides of the equation to keep it balanced. The left side of the original equation is 3 times x plus 2. If we subtract 2 from the left side, the plus 2 and minus 2 cancel each other out because 2 minus 2 equals 0. So the left side becomes just 3 times x. Now, we also need to subtract 2 from the right side of the equation to maintain balance. Starting with 11 on the right side and subtracting 2, we get 11 minus 2, which equals 9. Therefore, after performing these subtractions, we have a new simplified equation. The left side is now 3 times x, and the right side is 9. So the equation now reads 3 times x equals 9. Subtracting 2 from both sides simplifies the equation and moves us closer to isolating the variable x. To further isolate the variable x in our simplified equation 3 times x equals 9, we need to eliminate the coefficient, which is the number 3 in front of x. Our goal is to have x alone on one side of the equation. To do this, we perform the opposite operation of multiplication, which is division. Therefore, we divide both sides of the equation by 3. On the left side, we have 3 times x. Dividing 3 times x by 3 results in x, because 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 1 times x is simply x. On the right side, we also divide by 3. Starting with 9 on the right side and dividing by 3, we get 9 divided by 3, which equals 3. Therefore, after performing these divisions, the left side is now x and the right side is 3. So the equation simplifies to x equals 3. This is the final step, and we have successfully solved for x. The solution to the equation 3 times x plus 2 equals 11 is x equals 3. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.